Here she goes, first startup.
Oh my God!
Best reaction ever. Can we put that online?
Yeah.
Awesome. 2012 Ford Mustang GT. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. This is with factory exhaust. Here's sound decibels. Right at 4,000, it's not even 95. Again, we'll show you what it looks like. 2012 Ford Mustang 5.0. This is what it looks like before. Factory converter there. So this is the factory setup. Factory H-pipe with flex pipe in it in the middle. Then 2.5-inch pipe into two resonators. Right there and right there. Then 2.5-inch over the rear axle into stock mufflers there and there with single outlet tips right there and right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate the rear mufflers there and there, put these tips in their place, and eliminate these resonators and put Flowmaster Outlaws in their place. Stay tuned. We'll let you guys see it there. 2012 Ford Mustang 5.0. So we showed you what it looked like before, guys. This is what it looks like after. Factory converters, again. Factory H-pipe with a flex, there. Then we put Flowmaster Outlaws. Part numbers are 15430S as in Sam. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. It's a 2.5-inch system. Right there. A set of them. Then 2.5-inch out the back, and we did a 2.5-inch rear muffler delete on each side, right there and right there. And then put some beautiful 4-inch blue flame tips right there and right there. There's the two mufflers we cut off, there and there. There's the two resonators we cut off, right there. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Woohoo! Right at 120. Wow. Wow, look at that. They sound phenomenal on this thing. Sound decibels was 120, guys. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here she goes, first startup.
Oh my God!
Best reaction ever. Can we put that online?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's my car.
She can't believe it. And she's wearing a look. And she's wearing a ballpark jacket. Well, it is his jacket, so that's his. You like it?
And it crackle pops too, baby. Oh my god. Yeah.
Make sure. A whole different car, right?
Oh, 100%. Thank you so much. Like,
You're
for
welcome.
real, y'all did f***ing fantastic.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, I love y'all.
That's next. It's coming.
Yeah, it's-
little by little, bro. Come on.
I had to get the exhaust first. I was tired
Yeah.
of hearing nothing. I wanted
Exactly.
to hear it. Like, holy f***. Alright,
Both of you guys gotta be loud.
ready?
Yep, let's go. And he's got the nice 6'1". You guys seen it on the channel already. Make sure you guys follow him on Night Riders, isn't it?
That's hers. Erratic.
Erratic, yeah. On Instagram. Rev it. We did that earlier in the year. I know you guys remember it because it's beautiful. It sounds phenomenal. Go! Mustang 5.0, 2012, Flowmaster Outlaws, 4-inch tips. His turn. Enjoy, guys. We try to bring you guys the best content we can.